Hey guys, if you are a programmer, I have a question for you. Do you use for loops and while loops in your programming journey? I think yes, right? So many of us use for loops and while loops in our programming journey. But the problem here is we don't know the exact difference between for loop and while loop. There is so much difference between for loop and while loop. So in this video, let's discuss about the main difference between for loop and while loop. So let's get started. So to understand the difference between for loop and while loop, we made a Python program for you. So here in this Python program, we used for loop and while loop. But the output is same for this program with two loops. But here the for loop only iterates 3 times and while loops iterate so many times. So this is the main difference between for loop and while loop. So in for loop, you know how many times that the loop iterates. But in while loop, it iterates so many times. So I think you understand well. Follow us now for more content, and if you don't understand well, listen again.